Good morning. I'm Hari Kiran. I'm the founder of Indic Academy, an institution to establish, to preserve, protect, and promote our Indic civilizational thought. We call ourselves a non traditional university for traditional knowledge, and we are active across the intellectual, cultural, and spiritual spaces of our Indic knowledge systems. We have various activities that we have centers of excellence. We transform intellectuals, and we're also actively building an ecosystem. Today, I would like to talk to you about a new grant scheme that we have come up with. It is called CSR Ready Fund or a CSR Ready Grant. What we are trying to do with this grant scheme is to encourage NGOs who are in the space of preserving, protecting, and promoting our civilizational thought to start thinking about how should they become CSR ready. Corporates have a particular way of thinking. They have a certain processes orientation, and what we need to do is respond to that kind of thinking. So most NGOs are driven by an activist who's very passionate about a particular cause of his or her own liking, and typically they are so involved in the cause that they give lesser time and attention to the housekeeping accounts and other things. So what we want to do is encourage people who are working for our cause to start thinking, and how can they become more CSR ready. And what do we mean by CSR ready is, first and foremost, we need to, you might be a trust or you might be a Section 8 company, but we need to have bylaws. So you need to hire a lawyer or a chartered accountant to make bylaws for you, because you have to start thinking about what happens to this institution after you're gone. So therefore, it's important to have bylaws. Then, whatever accounts that you have been having, they need to be updated. And you need to probably have a full-time accounts person. And your website, probably you have created this website long back, and you might not be even updating it, and it could require some kind of love and affection, because typically what we have noticed is that as far as these things are concerned, the activists give lesser importance to. So what are we trying to say? All these things, getting your bylaws, getting your website, getting your accounts up to date, all these are important for presenting yourself to a company before asking for a CSR donation. You also need to have a governing board. It's very important to have a governing board because you're very passionate, but you need to submit yourself to a higher authority, and you need to exhibit the fact that you're submitting yourself to a higher authority. And accountability comes from that. The fact that a donor, when he's looking at giving a donation, would look at whether you have a governance structure wherein you are accountable to someone. So it's very important to have a governing board. And the governing board members will not come to you unless you have all these systems. So the thing is, first the bylaws, their website, the accounts, clean up all that things, get a governing board, and then you are ready to make an application to any corporate. So this is what all this requires some element of money. And typically, because we are passionate about the cause, we try to divert all the money that we raise to the cause itself. Whereas, little realizing that if we don't do these things, we are not able to raise greater money. The moment you do this, the moment you clean up, the moment you make up, then you are ready to take off. because any company which looks at it, any manager, accounts manager who is entrusted with the task of looking at the proposals for CSR will look at your application and will be favorably disposed. So what we have at Indic Academy, we have different schemes, different grants. We have general grants, we have project grants, we have publishing grants, we have travel grants, we have registration grants, we have scholarships. So we have different grant schemes that we have, and in fact, probably the way we think about grants itself is very unique, and not in terms of absolute amount that we are giving, but just in terms of the framework we are thinking about. We're probably the only organization that is looking at grants like this. And therefore, we are adding this new scheme called CSR Ready Grant, CSR Ready Fund. And what we want to do is we want to give a grant of up to rupees 2.5 lakhs per each NGO. And we might select 20-25 NGOs and give this grant and make them CSR ready. And then we'll also put them through some kind of training, and with this training, then your ability to raise money, 10x kind of money is possible, because there's a lot of CSR money that's available, but they're all looking for good causes. And we are, whatever you're trying to do in terms of just the preservation, protection, promotion space are all very important causes. And therefore, through this scheme, we would like to make you CSR ready. So we look for applications from you. Write to us at namaste@indica.org.in, and please specify in the subject that it's an application for CSR. It's a CSR ready grant, CSR ready application. And it could be for anything. It could be for hiring an accountant. It could be for buying a laptop, or you could pay it for your auditor or your lawyer to get your bylaws, have your board meeting, or a Zoom subscription. It could be for any of these things. But basically, the idea is that it is not for the cause, but it is to be ready to raise money for your cause. So this is the slight difference in the way we are approaching it. We want to make you CSR ready, and we wish you all the very best in all the things that you're doing to preserve, protect, and promote our civilization of thought. And we look forward to your applications. Thank you very much.